Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ClickUp and Slack for assignee and comment alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace settings. In the settings menu, select integrations. Locate and choose Slack from the list of available integrations. Click the connect button to authorize ClickUp to access your Slack workspace. Follow the prompts to log into your Slack account and grant the necessary permissions. After successful authorization, return to the ClickUp integrations page. Next, go to the task or project for which you want to set up notifications. Click on the ellipsis icon at the upper right of the task window. Select Notifications from the drop-down menu. In the notifications settings, choose the type of events you want to receive alerts for, such as assignee changes or comments. Ensure that you select the option to send alerts to your preferred Slack channel. Now, switch to your Slack workspace. Find the channel that you connected with ClickUp. You can customize notifications for this channel by clicking on the channel name at the top. Select Channel Notifications to adjust the alert preferences according to your needs. Return to ClickUp and test the setup by assigning a task to yourself or leaving a comment. Check if the notification appears in the designated Slack channel. If everything works as expected, you've successfully set up ClickUp and Slack for assignee and comment alerts. Take a moment to explore additional customization options in both ClickUp and Slack to enhance your workflow. Remember to monitor the notifications regularly to stay updated on your tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.